We'd like to welcome everyone to Lancaster Quilt Week, and we'd like to give a big thank you to Janome, our sponsor of our giveaway every day. Thank you. Hope you're having a wonderful time enjoying the classes in the vendor mall. Gloria is going to draw the winner for today. Okay, I got this. And today's winner is Marcia DeRosa from Arlington, Massachusetts.
From Burlington, that's on our bus.
Arlington.
DeRosa.
Is she here?
She'll be getting on the bus. I think she's getting on the bus.
Okay. Marcia DeRosa. Yeah. Congratulations and thank you very much to Janome.